What's up, guys? It's another day, and what the heck happened here, guys? Oh my god. You can see we got that fresh subframe in and got the K-rails out right here. I cleaned up here so it would seat right. Here are the K-rails. This one is broke, so we're gonna have to fix that. It's like all cracked up in here. Whoever welded this sucks. This one's fine. Either way, we're gonna get that support plate from GKTech. So, yeah, it'll be fun. So I just stuck the tension rod in here, and I started whacking it, and I got it pretty close. And just gonna weld this up better than this person, so I'm gonna grind off their welds. Weld it all up in there, and then we'll weld the GKTech plate. So this won't happen again. This one's bent a little bit too, but it'll be fine. We'll fix it. So I ordered that K-rail or K-frame reinforcement plates from GKTech, and I have a bar from Lowe's to make the Nismo power brace. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bolt these back up and then mock this up. Normally the power brace is right here, or this side, on this hole. I'm gonna scoot it a little farther forward right here because if I want to upgrade to the high clearance GKTech one, the Nismo power brace one that's right here, no good. But this will go like right there. And we got these bolted in. We're just gonna go from this circle right here, just right in front of it. I think that would be good. So I got the two marks, so we're gonna cut it out. And then we'll test fit it, and if it looks good, we'll tack it on there, and then take it out, and then weld it up. So I got the bar cut. Just gonna go under here, see if it fits good. Alright, so here it is mocked up in there. Finally got it good. I use these little tabs as pointers, and all it needs to do is come a little bit up and then weld it there. So I'll grind, or I'll buff right here so we can get it welded. Alright, so I tacked it up. I did a pass on the top. This one was a little better than this side. That looks like boogers. That looks alright. What's up, guys? It's a couple days later. I got the GKTech reinforcement plates. This is what they look like. You go on the bottom of the tension rods. You weld all around these ribs right here. So we take out the two front bolts, bolt this side in, tack it around here, and then we'll pull it off and we'll weld all around, and then we'll curve the ends here, tack on the ends, and then we'll have a solid Nismo power brace. So let's get to it. So this is what it looks like bolted up. Obviously there's gaps, so I'll have to pull it a little bit and then clamp this in and then tack it. Alright, so I got this side tacked up. Now I had to go on the other side, and then we also have to bend this corner up with a hammer, so we'll do that. Sick. So we got this tacked in. We got the edges out here folded over, tacked everywhere. There's a rib tacked up here. Now we're gonna move on to this side. It looks sick. Alright, so now we're gonna go over like this, stitch weld everything on this side as well, and all around. So yeah. got that done. We gotta get right here. Fat boogers. Alright, now we got it done. So I'm just gonna hit all this with a wire brush, and then I'll show you that, and then I'll spray paint it. They don't look very good, but they're gonna hold. I mean, these ones are pretty good right here. But this thing's solid now. So I got everything wire brushed, and I threw a coat of paint on there. Yeah, so it's looking pretty good. Just gonna let that dry while I clean up, and then throw it up in there. Sick. What's up, guys? I forgot to film the outro, but we got that bolted in. So looking nice with the plates and then the bar. So that's it. That's how you do or make your own Nismo power brace. Yeah, other than that, like this video, subscribe, and we're gonna head to the interior now. So make sure you subscribe and like, so you can get notified whenever I post the video for my interior.